Hello to everybody, FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers, and we are ready to present our point of view how to trade major currencies in the world foreign exchange markets for the date of 6th of September 2018. At the moment, the United States dollar still continuing to be in strong demand because of rising trading disputes between the United States and some other parts of the world. First of all, of course, at the moment, China and Canada. And also subsiding currencies of emerging markets continue to support the United States greenback. At the same time, yesterday was a good example of how fragile is the bullish sentiment regarding the United States currency. Because in case of some better view on corresponding economies, for example, of the Eurozone or Great Britain, that should for sure support the currencies like Euro and Sterling. Yesterday, as you know, Germany and Great Britain made a kind of a common agreement, let's say so, that they are ready to drop some kind of key sticking points regarding the future relationships between the UK and Europe in the process of Brexit. And of course, in such kind of environment, the Great Britain received a portion of buoyancy. Yesterday, as you could see, the British pound rose from the lows of session of yesterday's session. The lows was printed around 127.85 to the highs of about 129.80. All in all, around two big figures of strong rise, and that means that probably in the time ahead, in the foreseeable time ahead, in the nearest future, we could see some further improvement regarding the bullish sentiment surrounding the British pound. Of course, at the moment it's a little bit premature to say that we have a kind of turnaround in the sentiment regarding the British currency. Anyway, we suggest that probably in the hours ahead the UK currency could receive a portion of boost. As regarding some other currencies, the dollar Swiss, for example, still trading below its moving average 200 daily line. That's located around 0.9746, and that should also proceed to improve the sentiment regarding the higher printing for the Swiss currency. That's why we still keep our long recommendation accumulated in the euro dollar yesterday at 115.80, and we still suggest that probably from a medium to longer term run the euro could form a kind of base against the level of 115, and that should sooner or later take the currency to some higher levels. Probably we could see this in a month ahead. As regarding our approach of sterling, at the moment we are ready to rebuy the currency. As you know, yesterday we lost our aggregate position on a plummet below 128, and anyway now we are ready to rebuy the currency on a possible undershooting of level 128.80. As regarding the dollar Swiss, we used a kind of approach to sell on any kind of uptick closer to the level of first stronger resistance barrier located at 0.9790, and shortly, briefly about our analysis of euro crosses. At the moment we decided to enter a short position in the euro sterling, because we still suggest that probably in the days ahead the sterling could continue its rebound, and that will mean that also in the euro sterling should go some lower from current levels. And as regarding the commodity currencies, for those looking for our points of view how to trade commodity block of currencies, we still keep our long average long position in the Aussie accumulated at 0.7215. We still keep it and suggest to keep it while it's trading above stop loss at 0.7130. Also here, like in the euro dollar, we suggest that the Aussie could make a kind of bottom against the level of 0.7140, 7150, where lies the lows of 2016. That's our idea at the moment. Anyway, that's a little bit strange that despite of overally better economic indicators we had at the moment in the Australia, the pairs still continue to remain under increasing selling pressure. We hope that probably in the hours ahead the situation will a little bit changed. Thank you very much for all of your attention, our dear subscribers. Take care. It was your Future Trend channel with you.